I know, that's what I got. Two Jessica Allens
Show
here.
you guys how to play with slime. Let's
And then
get
this one
into
here,
the video.
this is all about her memories, so that
I'm
can't be the right
going to
one.
do this. I'm going to put
Jessica
it back
Allen.
inside this container.
It says
I'm going to get the
I'm not
slime
looking for a
out of
relationship on
here.
Facebook. Sorry, guys. And this was, she joined February 2018. So she's joined this one in February.
Yeah, the February 2018 is the one that fucking she's on.
Okay. Let me see.
I have lotion on my finger. I'm going to.
I'm not mentioning names, but I'm gonna take care of those who take time to read this post. Oh, that's for like cancer. Men who know their homies are abusive towards women,
Okay.
still kick it with the trash. I'm happy regardless. That was an hour ago. She posted a picture of herself. So who's going to Greens on Friday? I'm getting fucked up. Where's my peeps? I need y'all to ride with me.
Do that.
No, nothing.
Put it
Single
inside
as
a
fuck.
bag.
Oh well, story of my life, but I won't be I won't for long. This girl is too beautiful to be me, or to be single. Here it is. Here he is. If anyone sees Jason, then you tell that motherfucker I'm coming after him, and I'm gonna rip his fucking throat out. I swear to God, that's the last time he fucks with me. He's dead. And then there's 15 comments. And then someone said, "What the fuck happened?" And Jennifer Payne's like, "Fuck the fuck, call me." She says, "I'm gonna end my life because he's never going to let me be happy with anyone."
Watch this.
Then
This. Take
Jennifer
it
says, "Don't stop, don't say that. You have."